bring in David Heger, who covers the stock with Edward Jones, with a buy rating. David, are you similarly pleased with how they're progressing on that Shaw integration?
Yes, we have been happy with how the Shaw integration's been going. The company's actually running ahead of schedule. They're saying about 6 months ahead of what they originally thought in terms of achieving cost savings in the acquisition. Also, they're running ahead of schedule in terms of paying down debt, which was mentioned earlier, which should also help give the investment community more confidence about the transaction and getting debt levels down to a more reasonable level. So in general, it seems as though the integration process is going well so far, and we expect that to continue into 2024.
How many more quarters like this do you think it takes before that valuation discount starts to narrow, before they start to get credit for kind of hitting their targets?
Well, they certainly still are at a discount relative to some of their closest peers, and I think it's going to be a lot of blocking and tackling on the part of Rogers. They continue to prove that the acquisition is working out as they planned, or even, so far running kind of ahead of plans. And so, I think also one of the fears that rose last year as part of the Rogers-Shaw transaction, the former Freedom Mobile customers that were part of Shaw got sold to Quebecor, and it was feared that there would be a new nationwide competitor in Canada. So I think competitive fears also weighed on the stock as well, and it's starting to show in the market that the wireless business is still very healthy. And as Rogers talked about today, they're seeing at least 4% growth in the market as a whole in 2024. So it looks like a healthy environment as well for Rogers to continue delivering growth and hit on their targets.
How much of a win for this is for CEO Tony Steier, which, there was a very public feud over whether he should be CEO?
Well, certainly in our opinion, since he's come on board as CEO, the acquisition has closed and the company appears to be executing well. So in our minds, we feel like Tony Steier has been doing a good job, and certainly, despite what your opinion may be on what played out in the boardroom, it seems like the execution of the business is going well.
You cover the U.S. telcos as well, and it seems like you have a broadly positive, more positive view on the Canadian telcos, because you have buys on all of the majors, BCE, Rogers, TELUS, versus holds on AT&T and Verizon.
In general, we feel a little more positive about the Canadian wireless market as a whole for a couple of reasons. For one, population growth in Canada is running faster than in the U.S., so that's something that helps drive demand for wireless connections. And then secondly, overall penetration of the market in Canada is still lower than it is in the U.S., so we feel like that also creates a healthy growth environment in Canada, and perhaps a little bit stronger growth potential than in the U.S.
All of these, correct me if I'm wrong, but all the major telcos in the country are going to attempt to push through price increases. What's driving that, and could there be some political risk to doing that?
Well, certainly any type of price increases could potentially run into regulatory headwinds. There's always concern, especially in the Canadian market, for a number of years was viewed as only being 3 primary competitors, and the Canadian government has certainly tried for quite some time to have a 4th nationwide player and have price competition. So certainly any efforts on that front may certainly face some pushback from government regulators.